Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to apply filters to your selfie on the Facetune application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then tap on a picture that you want to edit. From your home screen you can select it. Tap on it, and after that you should slide to the right side of the screen until you find this filters option down below. So tap on it and you can see that you have a bunch of filters organized into categories. The first one is intensify, then golden hour, analog, vintage, influencer, attitude, beach vibes, and so on. So if you found one of these interesting and would like to try any of the filters out, select a particular category and tap on the filter, and you can adjust it to your picture by the help of this slide down below. Here you can see how it changes. Stop it at the relevant point, zoom in, and you can observe the details of it, how it looks like. And if you have found a relevant one, click on the checkmark icon down below to save your changes and save your picture. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.